My name is Alex, cook from Missoula All Maggots in Missoula, Montana. Now we're going to learn about how to do a grubber kick on the ground. This is a great ball to put through an attacking line to an ongoing player. The ball, instead of touching the ground, it's going to direct foot hit the ground and you kick the ball. We're going to roll end over end. It's the most predictable way for a rugby ball to land. When it comes through, you can hit the ball on the side of your foot or the top of your foot. It doesn't matter in this case as long as the ball rolls the right direction. There's cones over in the distance here so we can see where we're going to aim for yourself the target. The grubber kick's a great kick to use putting a ball through an attacking line on the ground. It's a way if you get around one player in a line, put a quick ball on the ground out to your wing, there's some ongoing players, so you have some centers running on, or even some forward pack who are fast to get to the ball. Now we're going to show you how to do the grubber kick close up so you can see how to strike the ball. Before it hits the ground, you're going to kick the ball, otherwise you're going to send it too high. You're going to drop it down in front of you, point up over your dominant shoulder, over your dominant foot. And down like this, and it gets right about here, and you kick the ball, sending it this direction on the ground. That's good. See how it bounced at the end of the run like that? Bounced up, player can come on and catch the ball. It's exactly what you want.